Hello, everyone. Hope that you are doing well. I wanted to post a check-in for this week just to give a few updates. A lot of you have not finished or started, for that matter, your review questions. They're due every week by Sunday, end of day, and you want to be sure that you do them because they amount in the end to a percentage of your grade. So um, try to do them early in the week after you study the material. Try to get it done. If you have any issues or questions on them, or if you're struggling, please let me know. I'm happy to help. They're meant to help you study. It's not meant to be a quiz or a test. So use this to your advantage and reach out to me when you need to. Another thing is I open the module for the upcoming week on Saturday. That way you have one extra day to start looking at the module and to keep up and catch up a little bit. I do this for your benefit because a lot of you I know want to work ahead of schedule, which is totally fine. So use this to your advantage to get into the material, read, and get ahead a little bit. So that's a good thing. I want to go over just quickly about week 2, which is open now. So you go to chapter 2, week 2. I think it's really great. It's an overview of the legal system. If you don't understand the legal system, you're going to have a really hard time moving forward in this course. So take your time and review everything. Take a look at the PowerPoint as highlighted here and just really review the material. Don't rush through this. Kind of do the best you can. And on top of that, if you have any questions, please let me know. Another thing that I want to announce really quickly is the addition of our community forum. So we have this at the top of the course content page. This is a place where you log in and you can post any questions that you might have regarding the course or any feedback that you learned in regards to a module or anything that you want to post for others to see. Anyone will be able to see your discussion post and anyone could comment on it. So if you have feedback regarding the module and you thought something was interesting, you could post that in and someone could reply to your post. If you had a question for me, the instructor, another student could also log in and reply to that question because they may have encountered something similar in the past. I'll also log in as much as possible to answer questions that you might have. So be sure to take a look at this every week. This is a great way in an online course to get to know each other and to talk back and forth. Another thing that I will open very soon is your APA research module, which is in week 4, but I'll open this for you to look at so you can start doing work in regards to APA research for our class. So we haven't really gone into that a lot, but I'll be sharing a video soon so you know more about it. But so far so good. People are doing a great job in this course. I know it's only been a week, but keep up the good work. Be sure you're doing the review questions, and please reach out to me if you have any needs. Again, my email is pwilliams@pmi.edu. Thanks for all you're doing, and let me know if I can help you in any way.